Welcome to our captivating video on the incredible applications of Geographic Information Systems, GIS. Today, we'll embark on an exciting journey to explore how this cutting-edge technology is transforming the way we understand and interact with our world. GIS is a powerful tool that combines data, maps, and advanced computing to solve complex problems and make informed decisions. From urban planning to environmental protection, public health to transportation, GIS is revolutionizing the way we approach challenges and unlock the secrets of our planet. Get ready to be amazed as we dive into the fascinating world of GIS. What is GIS? At its core, GIS stands for Geographic Information Systems. It's a sophisticated computer system that collects, stores, analyzes, and displays geographic data in a visually compelling way. Imagine a digital map that not only shows you the physical landscape, but also layers in a wealth of information related to that location. GIS technology is built on the foundation of geographic data, which can include everything from satellite imagery and census records to transportation networks and environmental monitoring. By integrating all of this information into a single, interactive platform, GIS empowers us to make more informed decisions, plan more effectively, and gain a deeper understanding of the world around us. GIS applications in the real world. The applications of GIS are truly limitless, spanning a wide range of industries and disciplines. In the field of urban planning, GIS is revolutionizing the way we design and manage our cities. Planners can use GIS to analyze population data, identify areas of growth and decline, and optimize the allocation of resources and infrastructure. This helps create more livable, sustainable, and efficient urban environments. In the realm of environmental protection, GIS is a crucial tool for monitoring and managing natural resources. Scientists and policymakers can use GIS to track the spread of pollution, monitor the health of ecosystems, and plan conservation efforts. GIS also plays a vital role in public health, helping to track the spread of diseases, identify high-risk areas, and plan the distribution of healthcare services. In the transportation sector, GIS is transforming the way we plan and manage our roads, railways, and air travel. Transportation planners can use GIS to optimize routes, manage traffic flow, and track the movement of vehicles and goods. This not only improves efficiency, but also enhances safety and reduces environmental impact. GIS in action. Let's take a closer look at some real-world examples of GIS in action. One of the most dramatic applications of GIS is in the field of natural disaster management. By overlaying data from weather satellites, seismic sensors, and on-the-ground reports, GIS provides a comprehensive picture of the situation, enabling first responders to deploy resources more effectively and save lives. GIS is also revolutionizing the way we study and protect wildlife. Ecologists and conservation biologists can use GIS to track the movements and behaviors of animals, identify critical habitats, and plan strategies for preserving endangered species. In the realm of public safety, GIS is a powerful tool for law enforcement. Police departments can use GIS to analyze crime data. GIS helps law enforcement agencies develop more effective strategies for reducing crime and keeping communities safe. GIS is even playing a crucial role in the democratic process, as governments use it to draw voting districts, analyze election results, and ensure fair representation. By mapping demographic data, voter turnout, and other relevant information, GIS helps policymakers make more informed decisions about the boundaries of electoral districts and the allocation of political power. GIS and you. While GIS may seem like a highly specialized tool, it's actually something that can benefit all of us in our everyday lives. Think about the last time you used a digital map or navigation app on your smartphone. That's GIS in action. These applications use GIS technology to provide you with real-time information about your location, traffic conditions, and the best routes to your destination. But GIS can even help you plan the perfect vacation by providing information about the natural features, attractions, and amenities of different destinations. The possibilities are truly endless when it comes to the personal applications of GIS. By harnessing the power of this technology, we can all become more informed, engaged, and empowered citizens. Whether you're a student, a community leader, or just someone who loves to explore the world, GIS can open up a whole new world of possibilities. So, if you found this video informative and engaging, be sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel, Reading Readiness Centers, for more exciting educational content. Together, let's explore the wonders of GIS and unlock the secrets of our incredible planet.